Want to pay for your in-store purchases easily with Affirm's virtual card? You can. Start by opening your Affirm app and selecting the virtual card option. Simply tap Generate Card. A unique virtual card is generated for your purchase, complete with card details linked to your payment plan. For effortless checkout, add your virtual card to your preferred mobile wallet by tapping it to Apple Wallet or add to Google Pay. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize, and your Affirm virtual card will be ready in your digital wallet. At the checkout, simply let the cashier know you'll be paying with your card. Unlock your phone and open your mobile wallet. Tap your phone to the contactless terminal, just like any other card. Your payment is processed, and your purchase is broken down into manageable Affirm installments. Enjoy your new items with the convenience and flexibility of Affirm, available anywhere contactless payments are accepted.